Hi everyone, my name is Mrs. Hunt and I'm excited to welcome you to my pre-calculus and algebra 2 classes. Welcome, welcome, welcome. The purpose of this video is to help you get logged on to your Google Classroom page and be ready for our live class meetings starting on Tuesday. So in your email, you should have received the join code for Google Classroom, and that will be specific to which class and which block you're in. So make sure you have that handy, and then go ahead and open a browser tab that takes you to classroom.google.com. That'll be your first step for joining Google Classroom. Once you get there, you should see something that looks kind of like this, where you'll see either a blank screen if you've never used Google Classroom before, or something with possibly some windows from classes that you took last year. Either way, to join the new class, you're just going to hit the plus sign in the top right corner here and select Join Class. So that should take you a window that looks kind of like this, and you can just type or paste in that class code from your email. Now, if this doesn't work, one thing to be sure and check is that the email address that you're using here is your Canton Prep student email. So you see mine here is shunt@cantonprep.com. If you're signed in with any kind of a personal Gmail account, this will not work. So you'll just have to click Switch Account and sign in with your student email address. And then once you've got your correct email signed in and you've entered the class code, you can just hit the join button here in the top right corner, and it should take you directly to your Google Classroom page, which will look something like this. As you can see, I'm using this example, which is Algebra 2 B block, and you probably won't see a lot on this initial splash page. This is a stream that I'll sometimes use for announcements, but the main thing that you want to do is go over here to the second tab where you have your classwork. And you can see there's a section for important information. You can read the syllabus, you can read the standards and learning targets, and if you scroll down, you'll see your information for week 1. So there are two really important things on this classwork page that I want to point out as we start the school year. The first one is right here at the top under important information. This is your link for the Google Meet. If you click on that, it'll expand. In this class video meeting, that's what you're going to do anytime you need to sign on and join a class. So if you're not physically present in the building on a Monday, Wednesday, or Friday, you'll be joining here to participate in our class time. So when you get to the Google Meet, it'll be something like this. I know many of you have used this before, but one thing that can be good to do before the start of your first class is click on the little snowman icon here, 3 dots in the bottom right corner, and once you click on that, one of your options will be settings. So just go ahead and go to your settings and you can test out your microphone, you can test out your speakers, you can test out your webcam. So if you're using multiple different devices, you have different things connected to your computer system, you can make sure that you're using the correct mic, you can test the speakers, make sure that you have all of that working and ready to go. Now, the other thing that I want to point out from our Google Classroom page, scrolling down a little bit here, is your week at a glance. And this is your number one most important document that you absolutely must be referencing every single day. If I open this week at a glance up, you'll see an overview of what we're learning for the week, the assignments that are due. This is kind of a little checklist for you. But the main thing, if you scroll down, is you're going to see what you need to do every single day, and everything is hyperlinked so that you can just follow right along. So Monday is Labor Day. What you need to do is watch this welcome video like you already are, and then join the Google Classroom. On Tuesday, you'll be joining the live class meeting using the Google form or the Google Meet link that I just showed you, and then this is your assignment for Tuesday. And if you click on this, it'll be a hyperlink that'll take you straight to the assignment for the day. Now, right now, this isn't accepting any responses because it's not time yet, but I'll unlock these, and that's how you'll access all of your assignments throughout the week. So you can see that on Wednesday, you'll have a live class meeting. We'll be going over the syllabus, and you'll have the syllabus quiz. Thursday, I haven't put in these hyperlinks yet, but these are some tutorials and practice forms that you'll be doing on your own. So every single day that you're joining this class, you should be opening that week at a glance